Hi, I'm Eyal Simko, founder of CueTime. We are here live at InfoComm 2026. It is buzzing over here, and we just wanted to show you an extra little nifty product that we have on the market. This is CueTime Pro. It comes in 24 inches and 16.5 inches. Full integrations, Crestron, QSys, BitFocus Companion, so you can obviously control this with the Stream Deck. It has PoE, so one single cable will give you power and data. You can send messages to the actual screen as well. So if you wanted to show to the speaker, hey, wrap it up, or go to Q&A, we can do a lot of different things with this as well. This basically has all of the ecosystem that all of our other unit have. Super lightweight, super compact. Also has the on-cue, which is your assistant director. So all of your cues, you can pre-populate them. It'll tell you exactly what's coming up. You never miss a beat. Super easy, super fast to deploy. Check us out, CueTime.io, CueTime.io.